Okay, to start this video off, we were leaving San Diego this morning to fly back to Des Moines. That didn't happen. They're having severe weather in Des Moines, so we got to Vegas, which was our transfer planes. We got here and our flight was canceled, so we were stuck in Las Vegas, so I took some videos. All right. Okay, so we're leaving San Diego, and we flew into Las Vegas, and our flight home was canceled due to the severe snowstorm blizzard situation. So we find ourselves stuck here. I'll show you where. What did I? So if you don't know where we're at, we are in Las Vegas on Fremont Street. We're walking down to Walgreens to get a shampoo. I didn't bring everything I needed. Although it will fit, there's a lot of people down here. There's a cop. Officer, there's a cop right there, honey. Huh? There's a cop right there.
Should I do it?
I don't know, let's look. He wants more money.
What?
He wants more money. Okay, we're going on to Walgreens, which is down here, which is down there. Okay, this is our Tony Roma $8.99 prime rib dinner special. So this is one of the good things about being stuck here. It's a prime rib, baked potato, mixed vegetables. We got a Blue Moon, and my wife got the same thing. Bonnie got the same thing. So, you ready, honey?
Yes.
All right. King Kong sighting. Forgot I better get that in video. King Kong. What do you think about King Kong?
Oh my gosh, it's big.
This is where we got our prime rib for $8.99. That was a sweet deal. Oh, here's monsters. Chucky, big Chuckies. Honey, you can put any costume on you want and come down here and make money. Pretty busy down here. we are staying.
And then we can start calling the lift and get on that.
This is our place.
That's beautiful.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Pig box donuts. Want a donut?
No, in the morning. Thanks. Good morning. Oh, wait, look at where we going?
Big Slick. What, honey? Okay, this is our hotel room. I want to show you. We got 2 beds.
Really big room.
It's pretty large. Little TV, but
Beautiful view out the window.
yeah, that's the window view there. That's the Stratosphere right there, and the Gold Nuggets right over there. The downtown's down there somewhere. I don't know where it is. Probably behind those buildings. Anyways, that's the restroom. If I had any money, I'd put it in the safe right here. So that's it. That's the 3 nights in Vegas hanging out. Okay. Good night. Talk to you tomorrow. I'll put another video out next day or 2.